It's Uncle Chris and the fireworks are going tonight.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I first want to say happy 4th of July, and have a safe one too, okay? Be careful with those fireworks. Now, since it's 4th of July, a lot of you may be barbecuing, and you say, oh, I'm out of barbecue sauce, and the store is closed. You're never out of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to show you why you need certain things in your spice arsenal, because that way you can make anything. In fact, you probably have most of the ingredients to make barbecue sauce right now. I'm going to show you how to make my Uncle Chris sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. I'm going to show you the basics, and then we go from there. All right, come on. All right, y'all. I'm going to show you the basics of what you need for barbecue sauce. Some brown sugar, some ketchup, some mustard, okay? Something to make it sweet, like maple to give that flavor, syrup. Now, to get some smoky flavor, smoked paprika or liquid smoke. Some onion powder. Oh, I still got 2 onion powders. Some garlic powder. Some white or black pepper. Anything else you add to it is extra on the recipe, or icing on the cake, you could say. I also got some cayenne pepper. I also have some honey. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to really dope mine up today, but I'm going to show you just the basics right here. You combine this and you can make you some wonderful barbecue sauce. Oh, plus you do need some apple cider vinegar, okay? Let me get started. I know it sounds complicated, but it is not. I'm going to take you step by step and show you how to make the basis of, I can't even talk today, the basis of barbecue sauce. Come on. We're going to start with some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put in to my hot pot at least a cup, because I'm making a lot of sauce, okay? Now to that, I'm going to add my honey, because I'm going to sweeten. This is the base. Check this out, y'all. You see when honey gets like this, like it's turning into crystals? Don't throw that away. That is when the honey is getting good. It's all concentrated. I'm going to take me a knife, okay? And I'm going to get as much out of here as I can. Sometimes you can put something sitting in warm water and get it all out. But for right now, because I got the brown sugar, I'm just going to get as much as I can to get that taste in here, okay? Oh, yeah. All right. Ooh, they're shooting off fireworks already. I'm going to take at least a half cup of brown sugar. Okay, put that in here. Okay. Stir with a knife, stir up strife. Okay, now I'm going to put in, for me, just at least a tablespoon of onion powder. Okay. We're bringing these spices alive. I'm going to do the same amount of garlic powder. Tablespoon. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay. Now, I am about to put in some smoky paprika, okay? I got the spicy kind. You get the regular to get that smoke flavor in the base of it. And I'm putting in a good teaspoon and a half. Okay. We're getting our smoky base started. Now look, you see how that's turning the color? See what that's doing? That's making, it's already barbecue color. That's your basic base before you put in your ketchup, your mustard, and your other spices to make it the flavor you want. Now, I'm gonna make this a maple flavored barbecue sauce by adding some maple syrup. Okay, this is the food pantry. This is how we do things. I'm gonna add at least a half a cup, at least, because this is barbecue sauce. Because we're gonna add in some other tangy things. Now, hold on 1 minute. I'm gonna put me in some liquid smoke. Keep this in your spice arsenal. You can do so many things with this, okay? From greens to turkey necks to smoked pork to barbecue sauce, okay? Smoked sausages too. Now, I'm putting in at least a tablespoon because I want smoky flavor, okay? Now I'm gonna turn this heat up to about medium. Reason being, I want all these spices in here to come alive and marry together. Now to make mine barbecue sauce that stands out a bit, I'm gonna put in a cap of vanilla. What? Trust your Uncle Chris. Trust me. I'm putting in a cap full, okay? Now, I'm gonna put in some red pepper because I like mine with a little kick. So I have added a teaspoon of red pepper, but it's gonna be concentrated because of the sauce here. Now, I'm gonna add something very unusual into this. I'm gonna add, excuse my reach, y'all. Oh, almost forgot something. Mustard powder. You gotta put mustard powder in your barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add a little pinch of cinnamon. It adds an odd flavor that's a good flavor. I shouldn't say odd, but people are like, what exactly is that? It adds like almost a Polynesian or tropical spice into your barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna add at least a teaspoon of mustard powder. Okay, that's also in my Uncle Chris barbecue spice. Now mix this together like this. Let me turn a little bit because I want you all to see. You're gonna let this mix together for at least 2 minutes. And then we're gonna add our ketchup and our mustard. Then we're gonna taste to see if it's sweet enough and spicy enough, and we're gonna go from there. All right, nieces and nephews, you see it's starting to come to a boil. Now, at this point, you want to take a little bit, cool it off, first smell it. It should smell kind of smoky. Then you want to taste it. Does it have that barbecue flavor taste, that base? It will. And boy, is it going to be good. Yeah, that's right. Now, take your ketchup. I'm putting basically almost the whole container in here. I'm gonna put half of this container, and this container is 20 ounces. So I'm putting in about 10 ounces. Okay. Work that in slowly. You don't want to splash it. Work it in a little slow. Notice how it's already got this wonderful dark brown color. Okay. It'll thicken a little on its own, but you don't want it to be paste. It's sauce, not paste, okay? It's barbecue sauce. Some people have it so thick, it's like a glaze. Always shake up your mustard before you use it. Put in half cup mustard. That's where the twang comes from. Okay. We're gonna whisk this around to get it done a little quicker. I love this little thing I did. It comes in so handy. So handy. Whisk it around till it's smooth, okay? When you see that, that's the consistency you want right there. Like I said, this is gonna be sauce. Now it's gonna cling to the food now. Okay. We gotta bake it down a little bit more. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh yeah. Now, I like it the way it tastes, but I want to add me some more onion powder. So I'm going to put in another tablespoon. Okay, yep, tablespoon. And I might want a little more kick. I'm going to add some white pepper to this, because I want that spice, that little bit of that warmth to get to you. Oh, and I'm gonna put in a hint of cayenne pepper. Yes. I put in a teaspoon. It's gonna be spicy, y'all, now. But you don't have to do that. I have just shown you the basics of what I do. Okay, how you can make a basic barbecue sauce that will be delicious, smoky and maple. Okay. Hey Victoria. Hey June, I know you watching. Thank y'all. Deborah, yes. Yes, I am making it good and spicy, sweetheart. You know how we do. Oh, and I have a fellow Southside, I don't know if she's Southside, a fellow Chicagoan that wrote to me, y'all. Yes. Now look at that. Look at the color. Look at the color. See that? I want y'all to get an up close view. Look at that color. Oh yeah. And you see the consistency? Now this is how your barbecue sauce is supposed to be. Because remember, y'all, now when it cools, it's still going to thicken some more. So like you say, or I say, it's supposed to be barbecue sauce, not barbecue paste. You want it thick, but not like ketchup, okay? So this is going to be good, y'all. This is going to be real good. I'm going to simmer this, let it cool down, and then I'm going to put it in my own little jar. You can put it in your own bottles, and it's cool. It'll keep in the refrigerator for a long time, at least a good month. This is what you want, this type of consistency. It'll be good to cover your ribs, your chicken, anything that you barbecue. All right, I gotta let this cool down before I put it in the jar because it is hot. See, nieces and nephews, I made a whole jar of barbecue sauce. You know how long this will last you? Well, maybe just one big party, but this will last a long time. So remember, I want you to look in your pantry, in your refrigerator, clean it out and see the ingredients you got. You can make your own barbecue sauce. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, time for me to go to the barbecue. I'll see you there.